2-3 months in advance for domestic trips and 5-6 months in advance for international travel. At least 3-4 months in advance if you can for peak travel seasons or special events. You might want to consider booking even earlier. Depending on your destination, you may need a specific vaccination for travel to that area. That being said, there will always be some risks whether you travel alone or with other people. Being aware of them can help you prepare for and avoid unsafe situations. Please leave more questions and see you in our next video. Share, subscribe, bye bye!